You see it?
It's right there.
Right where? Oh, right there. Darn, that would go right through the net.
Where's the other at?
Laying in the cooler.
I didn't.
Get him, Connor.
Hey, I had him once. Once is good.
There he goes.
Back that way.
Yep, back that way.
Shotgun!
Yeah, shotgun. Piss me off.
Take the vehicle.
Oh, there he goes.
I want to go out the damn door. Okay.
Justin's blocking, so now he's afraid of going out that way.
Oh, there he goes.
We're gonna be in raptor. See, you should reach out my face like I told ya.
Run, Connor,
One
run.
shield him out, one stay behind, so that way maybe one can.
Yeah, and as you can see, that's not working.
Oh, so you can do better.
I'll happily go again.
Okay, here you go. Hey, look, he was like,
Connor. Here, Connor. Here. I'll trade you.
Oh, Justice, you should have flat!
oh, no! Oh my god, he went in the...
Oh, doors here.
Open only the outside doors. Where'd you go?
Alongside the dryer.
We found him, folks. He's right on the inside of the driver right now. Drive, not driver.
Come on.
Come on, man.
I'm trying to go up. He's trying to go behind it. Asshole that he is.
Stand back, bud.
Kiwi.
I see him right there.
Yeah.
Connor, come this way, so that way it blocks him, so if he goes out
Oh,
the
yeah,
door there.
good point.
Yeah, right here, so it's blocking.
Okay, so Connor.
Directly behind it. Can I get a little broom or something?
A little broom, okay.
You gotta shush it out. Connor, where are you going? Look out, bud.
I just like my wife. Well, let's just stand here so we can block it. Throws him up over himself.
Shut up. Okay, honey, gotta wait a minute, okay? Don't
He's
get
along
your
that side. How the hell is he along that side? Can you see him over there?
Don't smush him.
Not trying to.
The thing is just.
He's
He
exhausted.
might be underneath it.
I don't think he can get underneath it.
He can from the back. Here, how about here? Wait a minute, I got something for you.
Are you gonna use a catcher's mitt?
No. Hold on, baby.
Bird fluttered.
Here,
Can I get the cup?
honey, you gotta wait. We gotta get the bird out.
There he is. Right here now. He can go under.
Told ya.
He's right there, folks. I'd reach down there and grab him, but yet I can't get it. Oh, he's coming out. Oh, come on. Come on.
Commander,
Justin?
No.
I just need this stuff on the freaking. Oh, Jim, he's right there. Just grab him, Justice.
I'm trying to.
Don't squish it. There you go, Xander.
Dad, get ya. Yeah, Connor, get him.
Connor just kicked him. Xander, grab him, buddy.
Got him.
Gotcha. Yay, we got the bird. He's a little tired.
Here you go.
He's doing okay.
And Justice is trying to bring him back in already.
Okay, shut the door.
Shut the door.
Shut the door.
Bye-bye, bird.